Let's do my school makeup routine using affordable products. Products that are less than 500 pesos each ha. So before I start, the word affordable is subjective, I think. So ito lang yung for me affordable product yet quality. I'll work on with what I have right now. Okay, let's start. For my contact lens, this is completely optional. For me, mas nakaka-elevate lang ng look kapag may contact lens. Anyways, these are from TTDI. Let's move on to skin prep. For me, yung dalawang important skincare is moisturizer and sunscreen. So for my moisturizer recommendation, this is from iWhite Korea. It's their Aqua Moisturizer. May nabibiling sachet nito. I think this is quite affordable and also accessible. This is very lightweight for our weather since gel formula siya. After you apply moisturizer, make sure na tuyo siya bago kayo mag-apply ng sunscreen. Next, for my sunscreen, I'm going to use Sunbear. Napakita ko na to before and ginagamit ko din siya. This has SPF 50 already. Ito yung pinakamurang sunscreen ko. Two-finger method. This is also lightweight kasi gel yung consistency niya. And also, wala siyang white cast. For my base, recently, hindi ako gumagamit ng skin tint or foundation. Gumagamit lang ako ng concealer plus powder foundation. Pero if I were to recommend a skin tint, I'm going to recommend this one from Colorette. Ito yung mini version nila. So, I'll use this today. Lalagay lang ako sa areas na marami akong blemishes. For me, I don't like heavy base. After that, I'll use a sponge to blend it. Hindi kasama yung tools sa affordable product recommendation ko. Let me know if you want a separate video for affordable makeup tools. Honestly, you can just use your fingers to blend it. After that, i-conceal ko naman yung under eyes ko. My under eye concealer recommendation is from Issy. Gamit na gamit ko na to since 2023, 2024. So, this specific shade has peach undertone na, peach corrector plus concealer in one na siya. I'll just blend it with a puff again. For my liquid blush, this is also optional. Pero I would recommend Vice Cosmetics Do It All Blush. This is in the shade Always Charming. If pareho tayo ng undertone, you would love this. I'm going to blend it with a brush. Blush placement is really important, guys. Make sure alam niyo yung face shape niyo. I also like to put blush on the tip of my nose. If madaling makulas yung base mo, set this with setting spray. For my everyday school makeup routine, dalawang type of powder yung ginagamit ko. One is loose powder and one is powder foundation. First, loose powder muna. I use a brush to set my under eyes. Loose powder yung ginagamit ko to set my under eyes to minimize the creasing. I also like to set my nose with loose powder kasi ito yung madaling mahulas na part sa akin, yung ilong ko. Honestly, if ako yung tatanungin nyo, loose powder lang, okay na. I like to set my lids also kasi nag-o-oily yan. Pwede ka na mag-stop dito and then move on to the next product. Pero ako, nagpa-powder foundation pa ako. This one is from C Makeup. This is my most affordable powder foundation. So, ito yung ma-recommend ko kasi proven and tested ko naman na siya. So, again, dun sa base routine ko, kumukuha lang ako with a puff. Then, tinatanggal ko yung excess. Naglalagay lang ako ng powder foundation sa blemishes ko for that extra coverage. Now, the base is done for now. Move on na tayo sa eyebrows. For my eyebrows, marami akong step dyan, like 3 steps. Pero right now, gagawin lang natin 2 steps. This is my non-negotiable for my eyebrows. Kailangan ko talaga ng brow gel. This one is from AbCD. Ito lang yung isang eyebrow gel na meron ako dito. We have to work with this kahit na medyo pricey siya. So, I just brush my brow hairs in place. Next is eyebrow pen. These are from Via. Ito yung pinaka natuwa akong TikTok finds ko kasi it works. Like, it works talaga. I have here 2 shades. One is brown ata and one is black. Depende na lang sa mood ko. Ang gagamitin ko for today is brown. Sinusundan ko lang yung natural shape ng eyebrows ko. Eyebrows are done. Next, let's move on to eyes. If gusto mo mag-eyeshadow, I recommend yung sa Squad Cosmetics. This is like below 200 pesos. This is 150. Alam ko lang yung inserts niya. This costs around 99 each. This is also customizable and kasha siya dun sa Get Ready With Me palette. So, I'll just use one shade para lang ma-emphasize yung eyes natin a little bit. I'm going to use this shade and ilalagay ko siya all over my eyelids. Next is eyeliner. These are from Pink Flash. Ang tagal ko na rin itong nare-recommend and nakailang repurchase na ako dito. To make it more natural, gagamit lang tayo ng brown. Let me know if you want an eyeliner tutorial. Lashes na lang yung kulang pero mamaya na yun kasi papatuyuin pa natin yung eyeliner. Kapag kasi nag-curl ako ng lashes, alam ko na matatanggal yung eyeliner ko. So, hinuhuli ko na yung paglalashes. Okay, so sometimes nagko-contour ako pero for everyday, hindi na ako nagko-contour kasi minsan limited lang yung nasa makeup kit ko and hindi ako nakakapagdala ng contour. So anyways, I'll just move on to my blush. The blush that I'll recommend is from Squad Cosmetics. This is their Petal Play in the shade Tulip. Maraming shades ang Petal Play, hindi lang ito. So, search nyo na lang. Naglalagay ako sa bridge ng nose and sa tip ng nose. I'm going to curl my lashes using Glam Fix. Ito yung pinaka-affordable na maganda na eyelash curler na meron ako. Lashes are done. Ginamit ko lang is yung sa BQI. This is their cat ears. So, may recommendation ako if ayaw nyo ng clusters. This is the mascara from She Glam. Ito yung tubing mascara and ito yung regular mascara nila. This is waterproof. Both are so good, especially the tubing mascara one. If ayaw nyo ng waterproof mascara, madaling matanggal na mascara, go for tubing mascara. But if you want a waterproof, yung pang matagalan, go for this one. For the highlighter, honestly, this is completely optional again. Tip, if wala kayong highlighter and meron kayong eyeshadow palette, for sure meron kayong shimmery shade dyan na gold, whitish, or light pinkish, like this one, ayan. Wag naman yung ganito pero yung gantong shade, pwede na yan maging highlighter. Like, you can put it on your inner corners or here sa tip of the nose and it will work. Itong shade yung ginamit ko for the highlighter effect. Second to the last step is lips. Dami ko ditong recommendation sa lips. Wait lang. So first, for matte girlies, go for Watery to Blur Matte Tints ng Focallure. If want yun ng gloss, go for Popic. Naka 50% off to kasi limited edition to. And for lip tints naman, go for Focallure and Detail. For this look, gagamitin ko na lang is yung sa Detail. This is their Dewdrop in the shade Bayberry. And gamitin natin to sa inner part ng lips. I'm going to tone it down using Focallure. If you have dry lips, just top it off with a gloss. Okay, for the last step, setting spray. The one I'll recommend is from Dazzle Me. This is their Get a Grip Matte Setting Spray. Maganda to as in. Nagamit ko na siya multiple times already. Sadly, limited edition lang siya. Anyways, here's the final look. Very approachable. Hello, my name is Jenna. If ayaw nyo masyado ng ganito ka-loud yung look, you just have to tone it down by using mascara lang or walang contact lens. For me, ito na yung affordable pero magandang quality na product na meron ako sa collection ko. Like, sinurse out ko sila. Anyways, here's the final look and good luck on your first day.